If you watched several tutorials on how to swim and you still can't do it, if you know what to do in terms of your hand movements for a breaststroke or a freestyle, but you still panic in the water or the water goes into your nose, this might be a solution for you. Most swimming tutorials speak to people who already are comfortable in the water or tried even a little bit. If you're one of those who haven't tried at all because you're panically scared of water, or you didn't have anyone to guide you through the initial stage of getting into the water, here is what to do. Out of all the techniques and things that you can learn when you're going to a swimming lesson, in my opinion, the biggest breakthrough comes when you finally learn to put your face into the water and comfortably perform some breathing exercises. The reason for that is because when you finally put your face into the water and then lower yourself under the surface, you unlock something that previously was holding you back from actually trying to learn to swim. I'm speaking from personal experience because not that long ago, I was learning those techniques myself. Because even just the simple fact as going to the swimming pool and entering the water was a big deal and incredible challenge for me. And I realized that for some of us, we need to ease ourselves in to the water before we begin to practice any of the swimming strokes and techniques. And the thought that you can in fact be in the swimming pool and practice without drowning, without rushing, and without putting any pressure on yourself. Once you're able to put that face in the water and blow air out and extend the time that you're spending in the water, you're able to practice and try things like a little kid. You can move your arms around and you can walk around the swimming pool whilst feeling still safe and having your feet firmly on the ground. Breathing exercises like these can give you comfort and calmness to then try something new and take control of your panic instinct and also maintain composure on your own terms. You can start very small by simply lowering your face down onto the surface. You inhale through your mouth, blow the air out through your nose. Do it slowly and gradually so that your heart rate remains low. When you're ready, you can bend your knees and slightly lower your body, shoulders and then lips and nose underwater, and practice that to maintain the rhythm and the ability to control how long you breathe for. Afterwards, you start to move around the swimming pool. You start to move your arms, you start to walk around back and forth and see what it's like when you are in the water without having to fear for your life. Once we're there, we start to experiment and have fun like a kid. Turn around, go underwater, try to retrieve an object from the bottom of the pool. Just play in general. Have fun and play. And you don't need anyone to keep you company or tell you what to do. You can actually do it on your own terms, as long as you stay in the shallow water. When you feel ready, you do these exercises when you hold the wall in front of you and you practice the breathing for extended period of time. I say about 10 to 15 or 20 seconds between each breath. You're going to do that in order to extend the time of your glide, how long you will be able to glide on the water before you have to take the next breath. Remember that as you're running out of air, you're going to start sinking. So the more air you inhale into your lungs, the longer your glide will be. You'll have to learn to control holding and then exhaling your breath gradually until you need to pop out and get another one. This one single skill, this one single breakthrough can change everything for you, because once you realized you can practice this on your own without a swimming teacher, you'll be able to go more often and extend the amount of reps you're putting in order to get comfortable in the water. The next step is to learn how to float on your front and on your back. And I'll be talking about that in the next video, so make sure you subscribe to not miss it when it comes out. See you next time.